Holy shit.
What was that, Larry? What was that?
Oh, it's all mine. I bought a $40 hat. A $40 hat. Like how? This color's freaking bad.
I really was hoping that you'd let me drive it. No. That way you could see it go down the road.
Can we get a hand check?
Oh, I'm shaking. I'm not usually a loss of words, but
you are today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is winter day. I'm here with our new friend, Larry Marling. Drove all the way from Anderson, Indiana, came along with cousin Kevin and his wife, Wendy, and we're getting ready to take him back to the barn and show him his grand prize, OB34. Larry, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm nervous as hell.
Good nervous?
Anxious? Yes. I might cry.
You might? Hey,
Yeah, I might.
I mean,
it'll be
I will
Grammy
personally
worthy.
wipe your tears for you. So, well, without further ado, let's head back there.
How much are you paying for this truck? The MSRP is $99.7. Reed? 90, 96. 102. 102.1, dude.
Dang!
103.35.
Dang! Ben, you got outbid by $100. That's crazy.
$1,000 trucks.
That's
like,
crazy.
Just like nothing. So here's 100 grand.
Oh,
Here you go.
unreal.
And then the trailer and a machine. If you guys have not bought a brand new truck that's a super high trim one, this no longer matters to dealerships unless you order the vehicle. Dealerships now use adjusted market value. So adjusted market value basically means they're just going to put whatever price they want because they feel like that's what the market should bring. Because these trucks are not scammers. These trucks are not on every single lot that you can go grab. So a truck like this, not done up like this, but from the factory,
Would probably sell.
this thing's gangster.
If you didn't know, now you know.
Larry, you want to go ahead and share the story about the hat again?
Yeah. I bought a hat on a different giveaway and my dog chewed it up 2 days later. So I got on your guys' giveaway and bought another hat and ended up winning.
You're going to go home and give that dog all the treats.
I will always pet that dog.
I'm so sorry. When it flies up,
Just go in.
walk right on in there. You lead the way, all right?
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3.
And the worst part is you buy this thing brand new for $103,000, you have to go and pay $7,000 minimum. That's just 6% sales tax, 7 grand taxes. So you're $110,000.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He didn't warn anybody. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hold on. Pause.
Gotcha!
You guys startled us in there smacking the door that hard. You guys all pumped up or what?
I got butterflies.
Yeah?
Like I told him, I'm always early, so I was planning on getting here a half hour early, and he called me and he was like, "Can you just wait?" I was like, I'll
I
figure
don't
something
blame you.
out.
What's in there?
It's worth it.
Friggin' worth being on time. Or actually being early, right?
I'll be honest, I had to drink last night just to get to sleep.
He literally told me, he was like, I told Kevin we were going to pick him up at 6 o'clock, and I was like, babe, the daycare doesn't open until 6 o'clock. We can't leave before they open.
It's not even mine. I got like 2.5 hours. I couldn't sleep. I mean, just happy for him. This guy.
No more psych outs. This is it's actually the
Hey.
door's actually gonna open.
Let me just triple check everything.
All right.
Come over the door for you, ready?
Yeah.
Three big smacks on there.
That is sexy. I'm shaking.
First impressions.
Holy shit.
Can we get a hand check? Let's see the.
Oh, I'm shaking.
What are you driving right now?
Well, it's not that much of an upgrade. It's a 2500, but it's an LT, so it's a work truck.
So I told him, I said, "You're bringing me so I can drive it home, right? That way you can watch it go down the road."
Go check out your truck, man. Come on, get after it. Climb up in that driver's seat. See how it feels.
Oh, this is sexy.
Dude, massaging seats too.
And she'll love that.
And the sweet headliner.
I said, I
You know, this exact truck made me want to buy one. I was like,
Every video I've seen you in, you're a very Dodge guy. And you just pulled up in a Ford, and I don't know if I lost a little respect for you, but a little bit.
hey! Look at the MSRP.
That's insane.
Dude, is that crazy? Like, that's crazy.
I paid 45 grand for my 21. 45 grand.
It's crazy.
It's nuts. That is nuts.
Yeah. That's like
Alright guys, go. I'll distract Larry.
Yeah, Larry, get out of here.
How's the captain seat feel?
This is beautiful.
It's an incredible truck, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
We were blown away. I mean, we built it and did everything else. I'm still like, dude, this truck is unreal.
I mean, I was like shaking for him, and like, it's not even mine. Like,
Love it.
Couldn't happen to a better dude.
Awesome.
This color's freaking bad.
Does that machine feel like money yet?
Oh yeah. I run deer all the time, so I'm not used to cat, but I'll figure it out.
Would you ever upgrade this one to a deer? Or are you gonna rock this one for a little bit?
I'll rock this one.
So you better rock
I've,
this
I've,
one.
I've literally,
We're cat people. My
I've
family
spent
business.
hours
We're
reviewing
cats.
this model, and the only thing I can find is it's a little tough to grade with because the independent suspension. But other than that, I'll rock it.
Mitch, how many more months does he have left on the lease before he's going to drive back to Arizona?
Actually, right. There's 3.
Did you chip it? Because you'll never find it again.
In the paint,
Dude.
it just pop. It's yeah.
And you need to be
Once you get this thing out in the sun,
That's what I was
doing
about
some
to
dirt
say.
work, oh yeah, it's
Because it gives off like a nice orange in the sun. Like it's good looking.
You ready to become your own boss?
Yeah.
With this setup, you could. He's
is
been wanting to pull the trigger.
that the plan?
I've been wanting to pull the trigger for a while. But
Not yet. Mama says not yet.
It's hard to.
Well, no, yeah, you
it's
gotta
hard
be
to give
smart
up a
about it.
pension and all that. Like it is.
Absolutely.
We've been talking about pulling the trigger for a while.
I think this
This was a sign.
might be a sign. Yeah.
I bought a $40 hat. A $40 hat. Like how?
And what'd you get?
Everything.
It is. It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Now I can say they can take everything except for this.
We'll let you keep taking it all in for a couple minutes, and we can pull it outside if you want, and then we'll just have to run up the street, go to the bank, and get your title notarized and make it officially yours. Does that sound all right?
That sounds awesome. Everybody I know is like, you can just go ahead and pull this right into my driveway and we can just park it there.
I'm
like,
sure.
No.
It's pretty badass
It's-
lawn ornament.
Yeah. I'm not usually a loss of words, but
You are today, huh?
yeah. So this right here, I'm a big music junkie. Like everything's got to be loud and blasting. This is awesome. Has anybody
It's a
done a burnout
life-changing
in it
thing.
yet?
Nobody has done a burnout yet, no.
Why?
I mean, hey, after we, transfer the title over, you do whatever you want. I might encourage it, but
Kind of want to shake the dude's hands that did this too, because
come on.
they did great work. Just shaking your hand. You guys did great work. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you.
It takes this entire team right here 3 weeks from start to finish, like sun up, sun down, 4 or 5 days a week, easily, to finish one of these entire setups between painting the truck, painting the trailer, painting the skid steer, lift kit, dropping the wheels off for powder coat, getting the wheels mounted and balanced, truck going to alignment, like literally everything. Like these trucks, you'll see one of the trucks it's half stripped, one of the plastics are off, but it's already lifted. Like they go on the hoist and they get torn into, it looks like a scrapyard truck. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
New truck, so if you wanted to leave this one here,
I got a 2021 for sale if you're interested.
He don't want your Ford, Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
not a Ford guy?
No.
So wait, theoretically, this
Yeah.
has been something we've considered. If we had a big blacktop pad out there, would you just spin it around and do big donuts and everything? If you had the opportunity today?
With the trailer off the top.
Yes.
Or without it, kind of.
I'd give it a hell of a try.
You give it a hell of a try. So if it did it, you'd be all about it. So maybe we could justify a big asphalt pad out there if winners were to do donuts and things like that. I'm just trying to justify it.
If anybody knows an
I know
asphalt
you
company
like
in
your,
the Toledo
your
area,
burnouts, right?
hit us
but-
up. We're going to interview Larry, and then we're going to go to the bank and get the title put in his name and notarized. Make it official. You mentioned you had quite a bit of doubts.
Yeah.
You didn't think it was real at first. And
Did not think it was real. I
you
mean,
even, I hear you contacted some past winners.
oh, we did.
Yeah.
We contacted Jordan. I think you contacted another one just to see what we were getting ourselves into, what it was about, and he said it was 100% legit.
Does it look even better outside?
It does.
It does.
It looks sharp as shit.
think the sun might, maybe the sun will peek out.
It might peek out.
I'm telling you,
on the
man,
way
when the
home.
sunlight hits this thing, yeah, you'll see it on the hood. It just sparkles.
All right, we're gonna turn this bad dancing off here, and you know what?
Did you put in time for Saturday?
That is yours, big dog.
Just kidding.
Sorry, man.
Should be. All right, guys, we got Larry and the crew behind me. We're getting ready to go to the bank, get the title signed, get it notarized, and make this official. And then he is going to be taking home OB34, baby.
Now, do you guys actually live out of this house, or is this just like an office?
It depends on how long of a day we have at work. But
Yeah, hear that? Crash pad.
Britt wants to know if you're crying, Larry.
I'm tearing up on the inside.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
She said that rig is actually so sick. I'm so incredibly happy for them. I said pictures don't even do it justice. And, and honestly, like, you guys go through and do all this work. Like, that would be probably the hardest part, is to create something that amazing and to watch it go away.
what did you just say?
It still doesn't feel real.
Well, it is.
It's about to be real ink on the paper.
You got about 3-hour drive home to let it sink in.
yeah.
Behind the wheel.
I really was hoping that you'd let me drive it. That way you could see it go down the road. That's what I was, fingers crossed, praying about.
Video it.
But man, don't you want to be able to see it? Like, you can't see how pretty this thing is inside. Like, you can just ride beside me.
Pretty on the inside.
Right?
All right, guys, got the title right here. Larry and I are gonna head into the bank. Unfortunately, we can't bring you guys with us, but you'll see us when we get out, and the truck will officially be Larry's. What was that, Larry? What was that?
Oh, it's all mine.
Yeah, buddy, let's go.
It is official, ladies and gentlemen.
Love
It's
it.
in Larry's name. He is taking it home. We're gonna head back to the shop. He's gonna hop in his new ride. Keep going.
That's better than the 100-pound Rams. Even with the spring assist, they still suck.
And it's the end of the day, and you're like, I don't even want to lift these ramps up, hot, sweaty, ready to get on the road.
Somebody already said it. You just drive up there and keep the remote in your hand.
Yep.
Thank you. It was great meeting you.
Enjoy it. Have some fun. Hopefully see you guys out and about, maybe some truck shows or something.
I got a reason now.
Oh, you're gonna say, yeah.
If you brought the
If it
entire-
reps you guys, I'll do anything.
All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Larry's got the title to his new truck. He's got the title to the trailer. It's all loaded up, chained down, ready to head home back to Indiana. If you guys want to be like Larry, check out unbosssupplyco.com.
Buy the damn hat.
Buy the damn hat. That's
You heard
all
the
he
man.
bought. One hat, and he's taking home this insane setup behind us. Larry, congrats again, man. Thank you. I appreciate a great winter. Had a great time today, and I truly wish you the best on all of your endeavors, and I cannot wait to see this thing get put to work, because sounds like Larry's definitely going to be using it, and
Today.
we know, you guys know we love watching these things work. So yeah, stay tuned, and who knows, maybe we'll have an update of what Larry does with it. You guys want to see more content like this? Like, comment, subscribe, head on over to ownbosssupplyco.com, see what we're all about. If you want to be like Larry and take home one of these setups, head on over to ownbosssupplyco.com. Thank you guys for all your support. Larry, thank you, man.
Thank you.
That's a wrap, guys. Peace out.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.